Hey everyone, it's Viviana, creator of iComputerNerd.com and CEO of The Writing Master, and you're watching episode 1 on how to create a website for your business. And in this episode, I'm going to be going over domains, hosting, getting yourself familiarized with the WordPress platform, as well as picking a theme for your website. So without further ado, I hope you enjoy. And if you want to see more videos like this or the next videos to come to continue building your website from there, make sure to subscribe or leave a comment below if you want to see something particular. All right. Thank you. Bye. All right, guys. So here is the Wealthy Affiliate platform, which is the platform that I'm going to be using to create the business website, which is what I use now. If you don't have Wealthy Affiliate or you would like to check things out, the link will be provided on the description below or on my bio. I do get credit for using the link, so that would be cool. Okay, so this is my portfolio or my profile. I've been a Wealthy Affiliate member since 2018. I absolutely love it. I manage all of my websites, all of my content, all of my training. It's pretty much literally an all-in-one multi-purpose platform for all of your online business, or if you want to go ahead and just create a website for a service. Like it's amazing. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and choose websites, and later on down the road I'll go over the subcategories, but for now we're just gonna go dive into the website building. Right here I'm gonna choose build a website. It's gonna take me to another screen where it's gonna ask me give me three options. So the first option is if I want to use a free domain. The second option is if I want to, or if I have a domain that I own, or if I want to register a domain. Now, whenever you create a website, a domain is basically going to be the name of your site. So just make sure that whatever name you put, that it aligns with the content that you're going to be, sharing with others. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and create free domain. Now, as far as hosting, there is already hosting within the Wealthy Affiliate platform. So hosting allows your website to be online, so you don't have to worry about that. Like I said, this is an all-in-one multi-purpose web platform, so it's amazing. All right, so for a website name, let's see, let's call it the writer's block. And right here it's going to tell you that that's available. And for the title for your website, you could put writing. Kind of had that pre-written there. And as you scroll down, you're going to see all of these themes. Now, if you have the free version, you're going to see you'll probably be limited in theme choices. However, you still have a lot of opportunity to, choose a really good theme. So let's go ahead and just pick, something, because we're going to end up customizing it anyway. And you can always change a theme if you change your mind and you say, oh, this is not something that I like. You can always change it later on down the road, or not later on down the road. It would be best if you change it while when you are first creating your site. But yes, you can change it. I've changed it before later on down the road. So, all right. So right here, you're going to go ahead and log in. It's going to take you to the WordPress dashboard. Now, if this is the first time that you're seeing WordPress or the dashboard, then it might look a little overwhelming, but I promise you that it will definitely become easier over time. So the first thing we're going to do to your WordPress platform is activate and update all of your plugins. So let's go to install plugins. So right here we have pretty much the default plugins that come with WordPress. We have all-in-one SEO, classic editor, and Kraken image optimizer. So I don't use any of these, so I'm just gonna delete them because I'm not gonna use them. I'm going to go ahead and leave that there, the classic editor. That's just a new version of how to create content on the platform. And I'm going to go ahead and add a new plugins. Yoast SEO is a must. It literally makes you a more efficient content writer, and it helps you with SEO optimization. Look how many people have actively installed this plugin. For those of you who don't know what a plugin is essentially like small softwares. It's similar to like an application on your mobile device. It enhances your mobile experience. So that's what it is intended to do. Another plugin that I like to use is Elementor. Is definitely a must because it's the builder that I use and that I've learned throughout the years. So if you want to, you know, have more flexibility and customization for your site, then I would definitely, you know, go through that. All right, perfect. So I'll go ahead and close that out. It just gives you like a little tutorial of how to build your first, you know, your site using Elementor. It's a pretty cool resource. It's good to watch. So once we have that in place, I'm going to go ahead and go on the very top, and you see where it says visit site under my description. I'm going to go ahead and visit site. So this is how the website looks right now. But this is just how it looks, basically. It's not going to look like this once we have built. So right there, you're going to click on that little pencil that I clicked on, and then you're going to go into behind the scenes of like another dashboard on WordPress. And what you want to do here is you want to go into changing your site identity, because this is going to be the first thing that people are going to see when they go on your site or if they find you online. So go to general settings, go to site identity, and right here where it says just another WordPress platform, you can either leave that blank or you could type in a tagline. Writing, let's see, writing for all of your needs. Again, you don't have to do it. If you want to, you can. Go ahead and publish that if you want to save it, and then close out of that. Bam. So now you went ahead and pretty much gave your site a name. So let's go back to the dashboard. The other thing that we want to do is delete any default pages that you have, because you're not going to need them. Go to post, and right here where it says all posts, go ahead and click that. Post is basically what you're going to create as far as like your content. You're creating a post. So go ahead where it says hello world, trash that, you don't need it. And then same thing for pages. Go to all pages. I believe there's one that says sample page. Yep, there it is, sample page. Go ahead and delete that. And let's see. And then that's pretty much it, guys. So we went ahead and we chose a domain. We activated and updated our plugins. We changed our site identity on our website. And we went ahead and deleted any default and post pages. Later on down the road, I will definitely recommend, when you have some free time, to get yourself familiarized with the menus here on the WordPress dashboard. But for now, this is pretty much the beginning stages of our website building. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you on the next video. So make sure to subscribe. If you like this video, please share it. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon.